There are places that don't ask for attention. They just exist quietly, waiting for someone to notice.
Dapat rock-abay baby. Kasi may natutulog na dito eh. May inaantok na.
Wait lang.
Drama lang yon. I got you.
We've talked this trip for years, but life kept getting in the way. Until finally, one slow weekend, we just drove and have a day trip tour to northern Qatar. Our first stop shadows traveling on the sea of the day. The mirrors, the stillness, the desert breeze. It makes you stop and just breathe. We didn't do much. We just wandered, took photos, and enjoyed the moment in the middle of the desert.
Magpupa tayo dalawa. Ito, kahit si Tandat dito. Tapos si Mami dito. Tapos mag-usap-usap kayo. Pwede ba?
Diyan, look.
Next, ZUBARAH Fort. It's like stepping into a historic book. It's peaceful, historic, and honestly, ang sarap lang maglakad-lakad and imagine the stories these walls could tell. And yes, perfect spot for photos too. You know we didn't miss that.
What is that?
Dog daw yan.
What is that, Mommy?
Isa pa. Tingnan mo yung bird.
Saan?
Ang ganda.
Love. Ano si Biang? Our last stop, ZUBARAH town ruins. Very interesting, very quiet. You'll see the remains of an old pearl trading town. The layout of the walls. Parang you can almost picture how life was back then. Parang na-transport ka in time.
Entrance of the house. So here you can see the Z format. The people concerned about the privacy of the women. That's why they make it here Z format. So no one can see inside of the house. So outside of the house, this is street. This boardwalk also made exactly how was the past street, the same manner. The people concerned of the privacy. And you can see the courtyard. Around 10 courtyard inside of the house. Each of the courtyard is open courtyard for the.
It wasn't a long trip, but it was just right. A short escape with my loved ones that gave me something I haven't felt in a while. Stillness. And a gentle reminder that not every journey needs a reason. Sometimes, you just go. And when you do, you come home a little softer, a little clearer, and a little more in love with life.